Welcome back to another episode of Broke Mirror, guys. I bought a car last night. Now, to give you a little hint, I've worked on this engine before. I'm pretty well versed on it. I'm also scared to work on it. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so here it is, a 2004 Volkswagen Passat wagon. It has 137,000 miles. It has a couple of ugly spots, mostly just this spot, but for the most part, the lines are really nice. The bumper does kind of hang a little bit. I have to figure that out. But overall, it's gonna be a good little car. I mean, if you check out the interior, overall it is pretty clean. It's been well maintained. Now, it came with like 9 check engine codes. And if you guys are familiar with the Audi episode, I had that breather hose issue. I think it's the same thing. The main code here is P0171. All of them relate to that code as far as I can tell. But if you hear it, the car starts up really strong. I mean, it sounds good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to see if it's that leak. Basically, I'm just gonna spray some carb cleaner around where I think that leak is and see if the engine changes at all. Let's get at it. right now, I think I'm actually gonna do one of those before montages and then the after one. So yeah, let's do that. I ended up selling the Volkswagen. The Volkswagen sold for 3,600 bucks. I thought I'd get around 4 to 5. I probably could have got 4 if I kept fighting, but honestly, I just needed to sell the car and keep moving. I had a bunch of interest, no one was showing up, so it was just let it go, move on. So I think that's gonna wrap up another episode of Broken Mirror. Until next time, hope you have a wonderful week, and see you then. Later, guys.